activities that can be done in Los Alcornocales Natural Park. Deer rutting, the bellow emitted by the male deer, is produced during the rut, announcing their arrival with intense attractive calls. It occurs from September to October. Bird watching. Los Alcornocales Natural Park has a strategic location in the middle of the migratory route of the strait, and the ecological quality of its habitats makes it a first-class ornithological space, being recognized as a special protection area for birds. The common stork uses this enclave during passage and wintering, with wintering concentrations of up to 1,000 specimens being observed. Mycological tours. These mycological walks introduce us to the study and knowledge of the diversity of species that exist in the park's surroundings. Visit to the corkage. Cork is the most identifying natural resource of Los Alcornocales Natural Park, and during the months of June and July, you can observe the cork cleaning tasks of the cork oak forest. Kayak crossing. In the heart of Los Alcornocales Natural Park, you can carry out this activity in perfect harmony with the environment. It is also very interesting to take night trips, since it is a very different way of feeling nature. Paddle surf. The mouth of the Palmones River is a privileged place to practice this sporting activity. The strategic location of Palmones Beach, with its 2 kilometers of coastline and the influence of the east and west winds, make it an ideal place to practice this sport. Kite surfing. On a board and pulled by a kite, you can slide through the water with the help of the wind. Hiking. There are several trails, mostly signposted, to discover beautiful places on foot and contemplate the incredible views offered by Los Alcornocales Natural Park. Rural houses. They can be rented and have beautiful views of the natural park. Visiting pools. They are pretty nice to see, and you can have a bath in them.
Hello, I'm Manuel, and now I'm going to talk to you about the environmental problem facing the Alcornocales Park with my friend Juan. The Alcornocales Natural Park, that is the largest cork oak forest in Europe and the source from which the 16% of the world's cork is extracted, is about to enter in the ICU, debating how it will survive the 3 great evils that threaten it: its aging, the voracious plague of the hairy lizard, and the persistent drought. The plague by which it is affected is that of Limentoria dispar, a caterpillar that devours its leaf, causing great stress to some very weak trees due to their aging. And also the provinces of Cádiz and some surrounding places are experiencing very hard time of drought, which is damaging the trees. Now I'm going to explain a little about what this is about. The Limentoria dispar is an endemic pest, and there are references to it present in Spain since the 19th century. He visits the cork oak grove cyclically every 9 or 10 years, but on this occasion he has done so in an uncontrollable manner, and this has become a serious environmental problem, but also an economic one for the cork industry, and a social one because hundreds of waste can be lost. If cork removal can't be practiced this year, there is also an opportunistic fungus that take advantage of the weakness of trees due to their aging. This is what causes the depopulation of this field. The economic losses will be enormous, and this activity, in addition to buying a financial land for the town in this area, finance the maintenance of the park.
Hello, I'm Juan, and as my friend Manuel has said, we are going to talk about the environmental problems faced by the Natural Park of Los Alcornocales. To talk about the Natural Park of Los Alcornocales is to talk about one of the most important lands on the province, the region, and the country. The plague that my friend Manuel has commented on occasions intends the filtration of the trees, so its growth and production is compromised. And in the case of the cork oak, it's difficult to remove the cork in the filtered trees, as it doesn't separate properly, causing damage to the trunk during extraction.
Some of the measures we can take to improve environmental problems are improve the vitality of core coax and reduce the effect of lower water availability, while increasing core production improve the structure of the Caucasus forest, so that the vertical and horizontal continuity of combustible biomass and therefore the spread and intensity of forest fires is reduced. Improve the functionality and resilience to climate change of degraded cores. Make society aware of the problem and the need to maintain a sustainable economic activity that guarantees the conservation of core forms.
Other measures to solve some other problems are 1. Put more trash cans along the paths so that garbage is thrown there and not on the ground. 2. Introduce measures to stop illegal deforestation in this type of natural parks. Since it is very common and causes the park to lose part of its biomass, which is very important. And finally, 3. Make people aware that this park is of utmost importance in the province, since it supports a great and vital ecosystem.